In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a markdown table from ChatGPT into Notion and make sure it looks clean and organized. To begin, ask ChatGPT to organize your information into a markdown table. This is important because markdown tables follow a clear structure with columns and rows, which gives you a much better starting point when moving content into Notion. If your information is still in plain text or a loose list, the formatting may not carry over as smoothly. Once the table is generated, take a moment to check that it has clear column headings. The headings matter because they define how each piece of information will be categorized after you paste it into Notion. Make sure each title is easy to understand and matches the type of content underneath it. This will save time later and reduce the need for cleanup. After that, review all the rows carefully for errors. Look for missing values, misplaced text, inconsistent formatting, or anything that seems to be sitting in the wrong column. It's much easier to fix those issues before copying the table than after it has already been imported into another workspace. When everything looks correct, select the complete table. Be sure to highlight all of it, including the header row, so the full structure is preserved. Then copy it directly from ChatGPT. Next, open the destination page in Notion. Go to the exact page where you want the table to appear and click on an empty area before pasting. This helps Notion recognize that you're adding a new block of content rather than inserting text into an existing section by accident. Paste the table into that empty space. In many cases, Notion will detect the structure automatically and display a formatting menu. When that happens, choose the table or database option depending on how you want to work with the information. This step is key because it tells Notion how to interpret the pasted content. Once the table appears, confirm that every value shows up under the correct heading. Even when the import works well, it's smart to double check alignment so nothing ends up in the wrong place. Then adjust the column widths and property types. Widen any columns that cut off text and make sure each property type fits the data it contains, such as text, number, date, or select fields where appropriate. Finally, correct any formatting that did not transfer properly. This might include spacing, capitalization, or values that need a quick manual fix. After that, your table should be ready to use in Notion in a clean, structured format.